Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to file Form 8843. This video is just for informational purpose, especially for international students in the US. Even if you have no income, you may still be required to file Form 8843. I came to US in 2022 and at that time I don't file taxes because I had no income. But later I learned that we still need to file Form 8843 even with the zero income. So today I will walk you through how to file out this form step by step. Go to IRS website irs.gov. Here if you I will show you first how to find the 8843 form. Go to prior years first. Then go to list all prior year forms and instructions. Then here click form 8843. Search. So I already filled form 8843 2025. It's here guys. So first we start with the basic information. Enter your first name and your last name. Here your TIN or SSN number. Then here your foreign address and US mailing address. Now coming in part 1, here you need to mention the first 1 year question, your port of entry date and what type of visa you have. It's also show you the exact date on your I-94, so make sure you need to put the correct date on here. And the second question, you need to enter your country citizenship and your passport where you get the country name and here your passport number. And this 4A, you need to enter the days you are here in the prior years. So this is form for 2025. So they ask the prior years, like how many days you stay here. And also 4B, here you need to enter the last financial year, how many days you are here. Like for instance, last year you visit your country like maybe 1 or 2 months, like 1 month, you need to subtract those days. So make sure you need to enter the correct date here. For my case, I stay here last year 365 days. That's it guys, this part 1. Then going to part 3, this part 2 for teachers and trainers. And part 3, here 9th question, you need to enter your university name and address and phone number. And 10th question, you can enter your DSO details and their phone number and their address, or you can enter your academic advisor details. My best suggestion, give DSO details. Then we need to answer question 12 and question 13. It's no. That's it guys. Then we need to sign at the end. Make sure don't forget to sign here and put the date. And I will show you now the which mailing address you need to send. This is applied for all years, guys. For instance, if you forget like the last year 2024, just go and download this form, the file the same like 2025 how we file. So it's applied for all years. Whatever year you forget, just go and download that year and fill your details and mailing to this address. So we need to mail to this address. I recommend it using USPS with the tracking number so you can confirm that your document is delivered. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope this video will helpful somebody. Thank you.